In today's video, I'm working on a 16-inch circle canvas. I have two shades of pink, some gold, and some white mixed up. And instead of doing a normal pour, I wanted to try putting my colors down and then moving them around with a spatula to see what kind of designs I can get. I've only done one of these before and it turned out okay. I was much happier with the way that this one turned out. I have a couple of different sizes of palette knives that I'm going to be using just in case I don't want to use my big one. I have a couple of smaller ones. To start out, I'm just putting a lot of my dark pink down. It's almost like a lighter burgundy red. And then I have a lighter pink that I mixed up with a couple of different shades of other colors that I had, using up some leftover paints. And then I'm just adding in my gold and my white, and then I'm just going to start using my palette knives to start swiping the paint around. And I have each of my colors mixed with Floetrol and water. I don't have any silicone, but I was still able to get some really nice cells throughout this piece. So if you're looking for ways to get cells but you don't want to use additives like silicone, you can definitely get them with different pouring mediums. I think using the palette knife is really interesting. It's a way that you can blend your colors a little bit without mixing them in a cup. And swiping tends to give you some really nice cells. So when I was letting it sit while it was drying, I did get quite a few cells popping up, and that turned out really nicely. Once I had a lot of my swipes done, I did tilt out my design a little bit, and this one was just really pretty. I haven't done something like this where it's just kind of a simple swipe and then tilt in quite a while. I think my colors were really pretty. I'm loving the way that the gold dried, and then just all the cells that I got without using any kind of additives. It just turned out really nicely, but I could see trying this out again and maybe dipping my palette knife into some paint and swiping the paint over some colors to create a really pretty design. So there are different ways that you could use your palette knives to just incorporate them into your fluid art and just see what kind of styles and designs you can create. So I may kind of modify this in the future and see what kind of just different intricate designs I can get with this. But overall, I was really, really happy with the way that this one turned out and with the way that it all dried. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos a week, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.